Welcome to another exciting and fun quiz to test your knowledge of the science of biogas and anaerobic digestion. What is anaerobic digestion? A biological process that breaks down organic material in the absence of oxygen. What are the main conditions needed for anaerobic digestion to occur? An oxygen-free environment, optimal temperature, typically 30 to 60 degrees Celsius, and presence of microorganisms. How does anaerobic digestion differ from aerobic processes? Anaerobic digestion occurs without oxygen, while aerobic processes require oxygen to break down organic matter. What types of materials can be processed through anaerobic digestion? Food waste, agricultural residues, manure, and wastewater sludge. What is a primary byproduct of anaerobic digestion? Biogas, which primarily consists of methane and carbon dioxide. Thanks for playing. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.